This is Danny Gould.
And this is Hans Wang with the SellingSiliconValley Group.
Welcome to our exclusive virtual open house event for 2079 Scott Street here in the incredibly central Burbank neighborhood. Because of COVID, we've had to adjust, adapt, and overcome. And so we're very excited to do this exclusive virtual walkthrough of the property with the hopes that if you like what you see, you come out and you tour this in person. But without further ado, let's go inside and welcome to 2079 Scott Street. Hans here is the neighborhood expert. He's our listing agent for this particular property. So we're going to walk you through the home. Hans, how many bedrooms, bathrooms? Give us just the general rundown of the property here.
Sure. So this house features 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. It's in a very nice corner lot right on Scott Street. And as you can see, this is the living room. It's got a very, very nice fireplace over here. So it's perfect for your evenings when you want to enjoy a glass of wine or, do something fun with your kids.
Yeah, and the sellers do have 2 kids. One thing that I wanted to point out real quick is this is the original hardwood here on the floor. Obviously, we have the fireplace as well. And then, J-Rod, do you want to show them the crown molding? J-Rod is our phenomenal SSV videographer. He's been doing an amazing job here for us. So lots to love as you walk in. Obviously the original hardwood, you could keep this color. You could very easily sand it down and resurface it if you so desire. Well, let's go into the kitchen. Hans, tell us about the appliances here, etc.
Sure. So right here, there's the stove, a KitchenAid refrigerator, and a brand new farm sink that the seller just put in before they decided to put the house on the market. So they were pretty sad about that, but they're really happy with their new house. So that's good. But
and Hans, why don't you tell the people back at home why our sellers are selling? Because everyone wants to know why the sellers are selling, right? So J-Rod, while we're talking, why don't you show them all the custom crown molding up here, as well as the cabinetry, etc.
Sure. Well, the sellers they have 2 kids, right? So, they're looking for something with a little bit of bigger space, move to a better location that's closer to their work. So, we were able to do that for them.
All right, well, let's go into the master. Now, what's pretty interesting about this master is that this was actually the garage prior, right, Hans?
Yes.
Yeah, and so the sellers did convert this space. If you look on title, we're about 810 square feet for this property. But once you add on this additional square footage, it's over 1,100 square feet, including the additional bathroom here, the master bathroom, and the master bedroom. So, J-Rod, why don't you do this? Why don't you go in, right, from here, and you kind of show them how the master is connected into the backyard. So come in here, we have this nice master bedroom. Now, here's the thing, if you are maybe a single person or you don't have that many people that are living here, you could theoretically rent this space out as its own private bedroom bathroom combo, right? You have your own separate entrance here through the backyard into this space. You could very easily convert it into a rental, or perfect for in-laws if you're thinking that way. This is the main master bedroom, so there is something to be said for that. You will be sacrificing that master bedroom feel, but in return you get cash flow, right? So that's a possibility. Here, show them the bathroom. This is one of the best rooms in the entire home. Hans, what are the appliances in there that we're seeing here?
Well, these are Whirlpool dryer and washers. They're pretty brand new and in pretty good condition as well. So Yeah, I mean, they go perfectly with the bathroom, honestly, like with the color scheme in there.
What I really like is this exposed kind of concrete here. I really like that look. It's coming back into style. You have a really nice vanity here, and one of the cool things I wanted to point out is this. Whoa. It's pretty cool, right? Yeah.
And I think it also has a Bluetooth speaker.
It does, yeah. So you can actually play music from this mirror. Who would have ever thought that you'd want music playing from your mirror? But this is pretty awesome. I don't know. I mean, I think it's pretty cool. What do you think, Hans?
It's great. I mean, if you're a young modern couple that are looking for something that's, you know, very contemporary, then, you know, that mirror is perfect for you.
So as we're walking into these other rooms here, Hans, talk to the people back home what the community has to offer, because here in Burbank, right, we're so central. It's such a central location here. What can you find around the Burbank area?
Oh, first of all, Cafe Latte is 5 minutes away. There is nothing better than that. I'm just kidding. Oh, we're also literally minutes away from Santana Row, Valley Fair Mall, and also
Falafel Drive-In. Falafel Drive-In, yes. And then we're also less than 5 minutes away from downtown Willow Glen, 5 minutes away from downtown Campbell, 5 minutes away from the Prune Yard. You're literally almost 5 minutes away from everything. We're right across the street, right across the 280 is San Jose City College. So you could theoretically turn this into some sort of investment property for cash flow. The price point here, given the amount of bedrooms, you would likely, in all likelihood, cash flow positive if you rent out all of these rooms individually, right?
Additionally, the Google Village is also, you know, really close, right? So
Exactly.
it's a great investment opportunity, or, you know,
The long-term
if you want
appreciation potential.
exactly.
Right.
So
Dero, why don't you show them, just go in there real quick. And our sellers really love this house. You know, they moved in here, they were a young couple, didn't have any children. And over the last 5 years or so, they've had their family grow. Their family is growing right now, and so they needed more space. But really, for any young family, this really is the perfect place to begin your Silicon Valley life and adventures. So, again, another thing I wanted to point out here: the crown molding all throughout this room. Pretty much have crown molding throughout the entire home, which is very nice. You have this nice large closet as well. Okay.
there's also a Nest in here, so that comes with the house.
So there's a Nest smart home system then, Hans, is that
Yes,
correct?
yes.
Okay, very nice.
However, there's no AC, but there is central heating.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Very cool. And then we have this second bathroom as well. Gary, show them the shower there too, my man. Shower's really nice in here as well. And finally, we have this last bedroom here. It's staged as an office right now, but you can really do many things with it. And while we're out here, why don't we show them this closet as well. It's definitely enough space for, you know, say the kids, right? So definitely enough space in the closet for the children. Now let's go outside, okay, Hans?
Yeah.
Sweet, thanks, buddy. And we have all this space here. Really nice side deck, large amounts of space on the siding. And we have this shed. Oh, it's locked right now. Oh, okay, perfect. So he always comes prepared.
I'm a real estate agent.
Okay. So this shed, perfect for setting up a workshop, maybe setting up a small home gym. Definitely a lot of options that you could do with this. Or if you want to do, yeah, I mean, like, or if you wanted to do like, yeah, some like a little bit of renovation, you could easily make this into like some sort of like in-law suite. I mean, it would be very small. It'd be cozy, but you could definitely do that with a little bit of work. Yeah. I mean, the foundation's already poured. That's half the battle, right? So, anyways, J-Rod, let's show them the backyard. It's a tight squeeze back here. And boom, got the backyard. So again, the lot size here, perfect for the growing family, perfect for the small family. Some nice sod and grass back here, and then the siding as well. And then the side deck as well. So, Hans, any parting thoughts for the folks back at home?
No, I mean, this is a great property. You know, if you wanna come out and take a look, you know, let one of us know, and one of us will be able to reach out to you and help you out in terms of showing and looking at the property in person. So, yeah.
Awesome. Well, we really hope that you enjoyed this virtual open house. If you have any questions, like Hans said, feel free to reach out to us. And we look forward to having you all come out and tour this property in person.